there's going to be some people starting the class next week, and knowing what you know from being through the class and making it out the other side, what would be the biggest piece of advice you would give everyone?
Trust the process, do all your assignment, everything, talk to your mentor along with all your group members so that you could solve all your problems within yourself and keep learning, I would say. That
All right,
advice I would
awesome.
like to give to all of them.
What would be the biggest piece of advice that you would give the people that are starting next week?
Just power through it, don't give up, and you can cut all the things you're doing on the side and just focus on the program. You really need to invest time and actually learn. Don't depend on, oh, let me go ask for help, let me use ChatGPT to do it. Try to understand what exactly you're doing, and because you'll need a lot of thinking, because sometimes you may search for things and you can't find help. But like once you have the knowledge, if you understand the basics, it can take you far. So when you start a program, do not give up and just work hard as possible, and just think about the end goal.
You 20, you did it. What advice would you give people going through the program?
I said work with your resources for sure. Don't just, count on the stuff like YouTube for sure is gonna be your big friend. You can pretty much look up anything on YouTube regarding, Power BI. I know Power BI at least. I don't know about like Tableau or anything, but Tableau is a big tool too. Like anything you have, and then Power BI, like Microsoft, they have their own forum of people who have like problems and stuff. You can go on there too. Reddit's a good place to go look at. So if you have difficulties, reach out to your teammates in your group, but also go learn your other stuff too. Go learn those tips and tricks that might impress the interviewer. You never know. I had one like an interview that they asked me for a trick that not a lot of people know. I learned that off YouTube, and he was impressed. So